How to make free voice and video calls online application. Are you trying to make free voice or video calls online but not sure where to start? Then do not worry. Here is how you can do it easily and in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch Open Line application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select the person you want to call from your friend list. Once you do that, you'll open up your friends info section where you can choose whether you'd like to chat, make a voice call or a video call with the contact. To make a free voice call, tap on voice call button. In the pop-up, click on start to start a voice call with the contact. If you want to make a video call, tap on video call button and click on start again. Right after you do that, you'll be able to contact the person. That also via voice or video call according to your preference. Your friend will then receive the call notification. Once they accept, you can start talking right away. Line calls are free, but they use Wi-Fi or mobile data. So make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best call quality. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.